Good morning, everyone. My name is Ince Sherlina Ginting, ID number 20070517. And in this video, I will explain about social linguistics. As social beings, humans need each other and require interaction between one human and another. In this interaction, humans need a tool to communicate, namely language. Language itself has a function as a tool to get information. A term sociolinguistic is a derivational word to words that from it is sociology and linguistics. Sociology refers to a science of society, and linguistics refers to a science of language. Sociolinguistics is defined as the study that is the concern with the relationship between language and the context in which it is used. It discusses the social function of the language and their ways it is used to convey social meaning. All of the topic provides a lot of information about the language work as well as about the social relationship in the community and the way people signal aspects of their social identity through their language. Holmes 71. Definition register. One of the problems studied in linguistics is the register. According to Holmes, 1992, understand register with a more general concept because it is aligned with the concept of style. It refers to language variation that reflect change based on the situational factors such as place or time, topic of conversation. He further explained the most social linguistic explain the concept of the register more narrowly, which only refers to the use of the special vocabulary related to different occupational words. Other characteristics of register. The first, language variation based on the issues and is determined based on what is being done. The second is reflecting social process or various social activities. Theory. Language is the ability that humans have to communicate with other humans using signs, such as words and gestures. When a language study in which linguistic factor related to factor outside the language, such as language the use made by the speaker in the particular speech community, prior to social linguistics according to Fishman. For example, socially, language use involves who speaks what language, for who, when, and where. Theory according Halliday 1978 explains that register is a form of prediction in the sense of knowing the situation and social context of the language used, language that will occur and be used. Thus, the phenomenon of using register will certainly experience a development both in the terms of the vocabulary and expression, as well as development in the referring to their meaning. Example and analysis of register. Register that occur among rice farmers in the Karo Regency. In the second, the purchase based on the pre-planting process of rice. Ipiari or Rino. Sentence in Karo, Adin wan pagi atita, benih harus ipiari lebih. Sentence in English, if we want to plant rice, we must know it first. In terms of the pre-planting process of rice in the Karo community, there are variations in the word register such as ipiari. This means that before planting rice, we must separate the filed rice seeds and unfiled rice seeds, namely by winnowing, and this aims to get good rice seeds for rice farmer to plant. And the second is based on the process of pre-planting soil processing. Ipaduki, a kind of tool for pulling rice. Sentence in Karo. Ipaduki dukutna ras rata-rata tanahna. Sentence in English. Pull the grass to the side then level the ground. The word register variation in this case is paduki. This is usually used by the community in the process of managing the rice farmer to be planted. Ipaduki or paduki is a tool used to clear land from grass and also level the land to be planted. This aims to make it easier when planting rice and cleaning rice from grass. Another example in the word register is rice farmer is ilabeni itanggalai nyeri and nangin. All of these words have their own function and are used in the farming community in the Karo district. As conclusion, registers are variations of the language whose use depend on what is being done and the nature of the activity. The register reflect another aspect of the social level, namely the various activities that exist in the community. Okay, this is my explanation of sociolinguistic material, especially studies in the field of the register. Thank you for watching this video.